Welcome, as we're here to tour this beautiful 2018 Newmar Bay Star that just arrived on the lot here at Motorhomes of Texas. This is a cute 31-foot unit. Entry into this coach occurs right past the passenger's seating. And when you walk in, you will notice even for 31 feet, we have a lot of space in our salon area. This cute unit has both electric and gas appliances. And across we've got nice plush seating, and this couch is actually going to flip out into a bed. Along with this neat dinette table, we've got this dinette style table that has a lot of room in it, and it will convert into an additional sleeping area should you need it. With the tile flooring and then moving into our master suite, we do have a simple lavatory. This coach has 2 slides, so we are able to maximize the living area here on the interior of the coach. And I was really impressed with not only the closets, but also the attention to storage. I think Newmar did a fantastic job providing really deep cabinets so that we have a lot of storage here within this coach. Now, this coach is set out on a Ford chassis. It has the Ford V10 320 horsepower engine. So there's plenty of power and plenty of structure to this coach to get you up and down the road. I like the simplicity of this coach, but Newmar still wanted to make sure they gave you some creature comforts of home. They've provided beautiful tile work in the kitchen galley area. We do have nice spacious living on the interior, and the maneuverability with this size of a coach will allow you to take it on all those unique destinations that you have in mind. We encourage you to check out this unit. It's ready to make your RV dreams come true.